Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate whether the Omoji feature will be working in the Realme GT Neo 2 after installing the APK or not. So this exact APK which I did do the backup from the Realme X and Max device, because this APK is possible only in the Realme X and Max device after the stable update. So as soon as you go to the always on display, you can get the option which is Omoji feature. But in the Realme GT Neo 2, you cannot get the option, friends. That's the reason I need to do the backup of this APK and transfer to this device. And in case if you want to download this APK, make sure to join my Telegram group which I have created, which is a SciTech Group YT. As you can see, this is a SciTech Group YT. So they try to go to this group which is called the Realme GT Neo 2. I'll definitely post this APK directly in this group of the Realme GT Neo 2 users, as you can see, friends. So it's better to find my channels, because SciTech Group YT channel you can easily find in the Telegram group. Try to find it and try to join the Realme GT Neo 2 link. So now let's see whether this APK will be working in the Realme GT Neo 2 or not. So right now I'm trying to use the official update. Even of the official update as well, still that Omoji feature is not available. That's the main thing. As you can see here, it's not available. Now let me go back to that APK and let me to install this APK right now, and let's see what's gonna happen in the Realme GT Neo 2. Is it kind of possible or not? Right now it's installed. That's pretty good. And now let's clear everything from the background. All the apps are completely clear. And let's go to the personalization and always on display. Now, yes, as you can see, friends, Omoji feature is currently possible in the Realme GT Neo 2 device, as you can clearly see. So in this way, you can actually install the Omoji feature in this Realme GT Neo 2. Now, let's see about the customization is kind of working customization properly or not. That's what we'll try to find out. So right now I did open and get started, agree and continue, create an Omoji. Right now I'll try to create it. I just want to see whether everything is going smooth or not. So it's not responding properly. So it's not working, maybe this APK. So before this, I did try to install, friends, before this video as well. I did do the testing and it was able to work properly in the Realme GT Neo 2. I'm not sure why it's happening at this moment, but before I did do the practical test before recording this video, just to make sure that it's working or not. But right now it's not working. I'll just try to do a simple restart of the phone. Let's see what's happening installing this APK. But I'm not sure why the Realme decided to keep this feature in the Realme X and Max. I think they want to do all the testings in the Realme X and Max. If it's gonna go good, then they want to release for all the Realme phones. That's what is happening, I guess so. Because same thing is happening in the Realme GT Master Edition also, because my Realme GT Master Edition did receive the official update, but without any Omoji feature. That's kind of really shocking. So they're kind of testing everything on the Realme X and Max device, I guess, all these features. Let's see after this reboot whether the phone will be able to open or not properly. Personalization, and let's try it again. Let's give it a go one more time. So before I did try, friends, I did try and later I did uninstall, but right now I'm not getting that. No, unfortunately it is not working. But don't worry, make sure to download my APK, which I'll try to post in the group, and try to install in your device and try to let me know, are you able to create any Omoji feature in the Realme GT Neo 2 or not. But unfortunately it's not working at this moment. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching and straight of more updates. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comments below. Meanwhile, signing off until then, stay tuned. Bye.